Hi boys and girls, and welcome to Thursday. We're going to complete our maths warm-up activities, and you can use a whiteboard and a marker or a piece of paper and a pencil. Let's get started. Okay, boys and girls, so what we're looking at today is some more addition problems, and this week we have really focused on different ways we can make our number problems and different ways to solve them. Now, our focus today is to use two cards to make a sum more than, and our number will be here in the orange box. So our number today is 6, and we need to make a sum that is more than 6. So something plus something equals 6. And we're going to use our cards over here to help us. So here we have our first sum, and we're going to look at how many rays it has. It's got 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 here. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I've got 6 here, and then my last one I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can choose any two cards and you need to add them together, but you need to make sure they equal more than 6, not 6. It has to equal either 7 or more. Okay, so pause the video, take some time, and then when you come back, I'll show you what I chose. Okay, let's have a look, boys and girls. Now remember, we're making something that equals more than 6. So what I have decided to choose is 6 plus 5, and altogether that is 11. So I'll show you. We'll put 6 in our head, 6, and we'll count on 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 plus 5 is 11, and 11 is definitely more than 6. Okay, let's look at another one. Here we're going to make something that is more than 10. So pause the video and have a go at doing this one on your own first. Something that's more than 10. Okay, let's have a look. Let's first of all count our sums and check how many rays they have. Let's have a look at this one here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5 here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here. And here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's look at my next one. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so which ones did you choose to make something that is more than 10? I'll show you what I have. I chose 7 and 6, and the way I did this is I looked at the cards which had the most rays because I knew that that would help me to make something that is more than 10. Now let's just double check that this is more than 10. I do have here that it's 13, but like I've always said, it's good to double check. So let's put 7 in your head. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And it sure does equal more than 10. It is 13. Okay, let's look at the last one. Now you need to make something that is more than 15. A sum that is more than 15. Okay, pause the video, have a go on your own, and then come back and we'll do it together. Okay, let's have a look, boys and girls. Now remember, the first thing that we do is we count all the suns and their rays to check what we're working with. What can we actually use to make this problem? Let's start at the first one. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So here we already have 10. That would probably be a good one to start with. Let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Here I have 9. And then this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now let's look at our last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So here I have 8. And remember, we need to make a sum that is more than 15. Now I've chosen 10 and 7. And I know that that makes 17. I'm going to put 10 in my head and count on 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And 17 is more than 15. Now you may have chosen to do 10 and 9, and that would be 19, or 10 and 8, and that would be 18. There's lots of different number problems that you could have used. Okay, well done, boys and girls. What you can do now is go back to our Google Slides and watch our next video for our lesson. Bye.